Hey, as you get logged in, I'm actually making a double recording at the moment. Thank you, Ian. Will you put those away because I need you to be fully focused today? Boys and girls, we're making a video of a video because I want to be able to post this on Dojo so parents can see it if they need to. Today, we're going to be taking our RI, and you're going to be able to show me how wonderfully you have grown, and I'm excited about seeing that. But this is the important part that I want you to know. I have SEL on our schedule. And remember, that's kind of like our guidance time where we have a little bit of fun and talk about things. But our reading assessment for the RI might go overtime. And in case it goes overtime, I will make an adjustment. Where can you see those adjustments? I've always put them right on your calendar, not your calendar, your chalkboard, right? We put it on the chalkboard. So if some of you are taking longer because you're careful and taking your time and you need more time on the RI, I will change. We will cross that out. So you will find that on the chalkboard. I will also put an update on Dojo. Thank you for staying connected to Dojo because that's how you find everything. Apologies this morning. I did make a mistake, and my mistake was this. All of the times were correct on the reading page. The one thing that was incorrect was my link that took you to the conference page instead of the reading page. Some of you still found your way there by clicking on classwork and finding the reading page at the top, the reading groups, and so I'm proud of you on that. But otherwise, it was my mistake. All of the times on there were correct though, and if you remember, I have it linked on the home page and on the Dojo page, or I have a picture of it on the Dojo page. You can see on the Dojo page that I did update what we're going to do today. It's right there. That's the most recent schedule I put on. That is what the schedule that we're going to follow this week. Boys and girls, you can't see it on that screen. I have it over here on the recording screen because I want the parents to see where I put it. It's just right above your recent messages. This is the general announcements for everyone. All of these times are correct. SEL lesson may be marked out later today because the reading assessment we're about to do might go overtime, and I want to respect those children who need extra time. So I will update you on that later.